Everyone, this question is looking very difficult, but it's so simple. Multiplication and division are in the same question, so we have to move from left to right, mean we have to solve multiplication first. So minus 10 times 10, it will be equal to minus 100 divided by 50 times 50 minus 10 times 10. Now, again, we have to move from left to right, so minus 100 is divided by 50, we will get minus 2. Because minus 100 divided by 50 is equal to minus 2 times 50 minus 10 times 10. Now again, we have to move from left to right, so first of all we have to multiply. Minus 2 times 50, it will become minus 100. And minus 10 times 10. Now don't do this, mean minus 100 minus 10. The first we have to solve multiplication. So first of all, we have to multiply minus 10 and 10. We will get minus 100 minus 10 times 10. It is also 100. So minus 100 minus 100, it will be minus 200, which will be our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing.